news coming in from North Block in Delhi as Trinamool MPs have sought an appointment with Home Minister Amit Shah over violence in Tripura. However, they have not got that appointment. They had said that they would sit on a dharna in Delhi if they didn't get the appointment. 15 MPs of the Trinamool Congress arrived in Delhi yesterday over the violence that is taking place with their leaders in Tripura. They're alleging there is mayhem in the BJP ruled state. On Sunday, actor Sayoni Ghosh was arrested by the police and accused of attempted murder. There have been repeated instances of violence. Trinamool Bengal's youth wing chief Sayoni Ghosh was detained by the Tripura police on Sunday, and the party has claimed that she was attacked by BJP goons when she was taken to the police station in Agartala. In fact, Abhishek Banerjee, a Trinamool MP and nephew of Mamata Banerjee, is heading to Tripura right now to look into this situation with Sayoni Ghosh having been arrested there. And these MPs have arrived yesterday in Delhi and they sought to meet with the Home Minister to draw his attention to the violence in Tripura and the attacks that have been taking place, alleging that there is mayhem in Tripura, but the MPs were not allowed to meet with Amit Shah. They did not get that appointment and now they are protesting there outside North Block.
हम लोगों से मिलने से इनकार कर दिया। इसके खिलाफ उनकी दफ्तर के सामने हम लोग प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
आपको लगता है कि त्रिपुरा में अभिषेक बनर्जी वहाँ पे बम की खबर भी आ रही है?
अभिषेक बनर्जी को डरते हैं वो लोग इतना, उनको मीटिंग भी नहीं करने दिया, बम रख दिया, क्या नहीं किया। हमारा एक युवा कांग्रेस के जो हमारे प्रेसिडेंट है उनके खिलाफ फॉल्स केस दे दिया।
All right, so the Trinamool MPs, they're claiming saying that they have not got that appointment with Home Minister Amit Shah and therefore they are now protesting in North Block. This is after one of their leaders, Sayoni Ghosh, the youth wing chief of Trinamool's Bengal youth wing was attacked, and they have claimed that she was in fact attacked at a police station after she had been taken into custody by the police in Tripura. Let's go across to Monideepa now for more. And Monideepa, now the Trinamool MPs are all protesting outside North Block after they didn't get that appointment with Amit Shah. This was to draw attention to the violence in Tripura.
That's right. First, let me just show you the pictures. Here you have the North Block and then you have the Trinamool MPs protesting over here. I can see somebody who has a postcard, a placard which says democracy killed. A whole lot of MPs here, including seniors like Derek O'Brien, Mala Roy, Shantanu Sen, a whole lot of them, and you have a fairly large number of security personnel posted over here to ensure that they cannot enter into Mr. Amit Shah's office. Apparently, they did seek an appointment with the Home Minister, but they didn't get one. And that is when they decided that a wildcat kind of strike or protest at North Block was the only solution. Mr. Roy, have you heard from Amit Shah? Has he said no to an appointment?
He has not given an appointment so far.
Okay.
Last night.
And so that is why this protest?
No. We are also putting the demands that violence in Tripura must stop. All these people are heckled. We say protest against that.
Okay, I can see over here, democracy killed.
Huh?
I can see a placard over here saying democracy killed. Is that what?
Yes, absolutely. Democracy is being butchered, slaughtered in Tripura.
Democracy is being slaughtered, butchered in Tripura, and therefore the protest over here. Remember, in 3 days from now, the BJP state goes to the polls, civic elections over there. Mr. Banerjee, what happened? What is the plan? Okay, now we can see that these leaders here, the MPs, Prashant Banerjee there, the first to get off the ground and sit in front of the Home Minister's office. There are others also. They have all been instructed to sit down and protest. The root of the problem, as it were, was after Miss Shani Ghosh, the youth president of TNC in Bengal, was arrested. So what is the plan now and why are you here?
You have categorically seen how democracy is being brutally murdered by BJP, by the BJP chief minister, using the police officers, using their hooligans in the state of Tripura. When our leader Abhishek Banerjee stepped in for the first time in the month of August, he was tried to be killed 13 times when he was going to Tripureshwari. And now today you have seen when he was about to land at Tripura, there was a plastic plume of explosives, so far we came to know from the media. And our party sought for an appointment from Amit Shah ji. We rang up to their office for at least 15 to 20 times, but they didn't bother to give us an appointment. And that's why our protest out here.
What happens next?
Right now we will be showing our protest. देखिए आगे आगे क्या होता है. What happens? See.
Okay, देखिए आगे आगे क्या होता है. But here you have senior leaders of the Trinamool Congress all sitting down here to protest. You have a whole lot of them who are determined to bring the issue of Tripura to the attention of Amit Shah. What's interesting is, of course, there is also a parallel movement going on. The Trinamool Congress has taken the whole matter to Supreme Court and yesterday filed a plea. Shushmita Deb, MP, she filed a petition. And the petition, we believe, will be heard tomorrow, is what we have been told. There is yet another little protest erupting at another corner. You can see that the police are barricading this area. They have put up the red tapes. There are more police officers present over here. And there is a protest going on there as well. I can see several MPs sitting in protest in this corner of the Home Ministry's gate.